Hey, this is Arthur Kundi from arthurkundi.com, and in this episode, we're going to talk about what affiliate marketing is, how does it work, and how you can use it to earn additional income in your household.
So how are normal, everyday people like us with regular jobs and families to support, how do we build a business that allows us to control our time and increase our income? That's the question, and this show will give you the answers. My name is Arthur Kundi, and welcome to the Entrepreneur Track.
Okay, so before I get started, let me tell you a story. So back when I got my start in entrepreneurship, back in 2000, I started with building websites. So I was a web designer, and I created websites for small businesses and large companies, and everything in between. And so over the course of building websites, one of the natural things is, after I build a website, you need to get it online, right? And so that means I need to get the client set up with a web hosting company. And so, for those of you that don't know, web hosting companies, they have a whole bunch of servers, and they charge, anywhere from $5 a month to $19, $20 a month, depending on what you need. And they have a whole bunch of web servers, and they put your website files on the web server, and that's how you get your website live on the internet for anyone to find it. And so I wasn't a web host company, and so what I did was I would look for a web hosting company that I could refer to my clients, right? Based on the type of website that they had, whether it's e-commerce or maybe a regular basic, brochure website with only a few web pages, and I would refer that client to that web host. And so, I was doing research, and I found that I found a web hosting company that I could refer my clients to. I was like, oh, this looks cool. And when I was looking at their website, I realized that uh, when I referred someone to that company, they would pay me, a one-time fee of say $60. So I would refer someone over there, one of my clients over there, and the web hosting company would pay me $60 for referring them a customer. And I thought, oh, this is cool. I could get paid for doing something that I was already going to do anyway. And so that kind of piqued my interest, and I kind of got more curious. So I started doing more research, and I found that a lot of the web hosting companies that were out there, they had some sort of referral program, where I could refer someone to them, and I make a little bit of money. And I thought, oh, this must be a thing. And I got more and more interested in it. And then I found one particular one that would not only pay me one time, but they would pay me ongoing for as long as that client remains a customer of that web hosting company. And I thought, wow, I could get paid way in months, years into the future, for just referring a client one time. And so I got really excited, and it became so simple to me because I would build a website and uh, refer a customer there, and it was just a natural transition. I would say, okay, great, your website is done. Let me refer. Here's a great web hosting company that you can get your web hosting account set up with, and they would just go ahead and set up their account, and I would get paid ongoing. And I've made thousands of dollars this way using just this one technique. And that's really essentially what affiliate marketing is referring a customer to a product or service, recommending a product or service to a customer. And when they sign up, you get paid. And some programs you get paid one time for just doing that one transaction, and a lot of other ones you get paid ongoing consistently. So you do the work once, setting up an account for someone, and you get paid month after month, year after year, ongoing, as long as that person remains a customer. And so that's essentially what affiliate marketing is. It's referring customers, referring people to products and services that they're already looking for, and when they sign up, you get paid. And so how does this work? So affiliate marketing has been around since the early 1980s, and many big companies, Amazon, Target, Best Buy, any company that you're using, chances are they have an affiliate marketing program attached to it. Companies love this because it's performance-based marketing, so they only have to pay you if they get a customer. So that they're not spending a whole bunch of money on advertising and or anything like that. They just set up the program, and they only have to pay you when you produce a sale. And it's great for you because there's no upfront cost to get started. You can join any affiliate program out there. Some programs have a little bit more stricter guidelines, but for the most part, you can go to a website. Scroll down to the bottom. Usually there's a link that says affiliate program or referral program. You click on that link, you sign up, you get approved in like a day or so. And what's great is that they'll give you a ton of tools to help you promote their product or service. So they'll give you sometimes a lot of training. There'll be a private Facebook group sometimes. They'll have like weekly or monthly webinars that you can join where they'll teach you and coach you on the best ways to promote their product or service. They'll give you web banners or advertisements, articles that you can put on your website or your blog. So there's tons of resources that they'll give you to help you build your promote their service. So for example, the web hosting firm that I was partnered with, they provide web banners for me to use. They even gave me website themes that I could use and create my own web hosting website, so it can look like I'm my own web hosting company, which is pretty cool. They had a forum, articles, a private blog that I can go to and read articles on how to promote their service, and so it became very easy. It became something where which do I focus most of my time on. So when I was creating websites, there's a ton of time and effort that's involved with creating a website. I need to speak to the client, hash out details, create a proposal in some cases, write out a whole bunch of specifications and requirements for that website. I've got to, design the website, go back and forth on revisions, get a programmer involved to, if there's custom things that they need to build out the website. And, this can take anywhere from a couple of months to like a year and a half to build out a website. So I can do that, or I could just refer a customer to a web host company and get paid consistently over and over and over again. So there's pros and cons with different ways of earning income. And over the years, I've leaned more along the ways of affiliate marketing because there's no upfront cost. I don't have to pay anything to get started. They provide a lot of support with helping me promote whatever the product or service is. And if it's a good product or service, then it's easy to recommend people to that, and I get paid, and it's consistent, and it's over and over again. So that's essentially what affiliate marketing is, and I highly recommend that if you're looking for a way to earn additional income or increase your income, or if you have another business, you can plug affiliate marketing into that to increase revenue in those ways as well. So yeah, affiliate marketing is the way to go, especially if you don't have a lot of time, you don't have a lot of money, and you're looking to get started and earning some additional income. Hey, before you go, if you're looking for a way to earn additional income for your household, I've got something special for you. So I've created this free web class where I'm going to show you how to earn consistent monthly income without creating a product or service or spending a ton of time away from your family. So go to arthurkundy.com/webclass, enter your info, and I'll send it to you right away. And I know this is really going to help you earn some additional income on a monthly basis. So arthurkundy.com/webclass, and I'll see you there.